Talo falava ma ia manuia tele le vai aso o le ngangana Samoa, coming to you straight from the motherland.
Don't touch my tempo, roll with the tempo, man, I get true salvation.
We got a great show lined up just for you. Let's check it out.
Moeloto Tiatia, Leilani mama, manuia le vai aso o le ngangana Samoa. We are here in Samoa, ma ole aso olo e mai mua mai I le young, gifted and brown.
This is the first Kilikiti Committee's engagement activity.
So it's a way for us to connect to each other.
Alofa, these are my beautiful sisters.
Talofa. I'm Keke, short for Glaze Keke.
My name is Mariah, short for Mariah Carey. And I'm Miracle, short for Speaks for Itself.
I wish we can do some carpool karaoke.
By the rivers of Bulavanaka, everybody, it's Kris Fox.
I'm Leilani, aka Leilani, and this is Fresh Outta Water.
Water. This is where people come on to try things that they've never tried before. You know, I'm actually hoping that we go and be a Liberian.
Oh, Liberian will be fun. Something a little easy, not too stressful. Keep the heart rate down.
And not up. We don't want to have a kaboom. I mean, look at these nails. This is not made for those kinds of activities. I hope that the place that we're going to has some really fine-looking gentlemen.
Oh, yeah, there's some Lolo.
I know, some Lolo.
And I hope it's not, like, hot as, because right now
It's like 40 degrees, honestly. And this full face, I don't really want it to melt off. Well, I guess we're here to play in the snow, girl.
Cute.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to Snow Planet. My name's Juliet. I'm going to be your ski instructor today. Have you ever skied before?
No, my gosh, I'm so nervous.
Well, I'll be here to help you. Let's get you all geared up.
Don't it feel so good? Don't it feel so
Orca!
Oh my God, look at the slope. My face is frozen.
I love it though, my makeup feels set.
So to start with, we're just going to get to know our equipment. This is the tip of our skis, so to pull them apart, we're going to go like this. Nice, yep, use your muscles, you're not going to break them.
Oh.
Yep, there you go.
Girl.
I was scared.
So
I didn't want to
serious.
pay for any damages.
We have our edges, which are nice and sharp, and that's what's going to help control the ski. So to put our skis on, we want to put our toe in first in our binding, line it up, and then this is going to click.
Can you move your toe?
Oh, hold on, I'm trying to like get organized here. Tip first.
Wait, I'm scared.
Toe in first.
Yeah, and then.
Line it up and click. Yeah,
Here
there you go. And we're just going to go for a little bit of a slide. So we want to look up
Oh my
and
gosh.
push with your other foot.
Oh my God, this is slippery.
That's the point.
I'm scared.
There you go.
This is stressing me out.
What the?
I feel like happy feet.
You're too slow. Move out of the way.
Oh, okay, professional.
Let's see if I find fun.
So now we know our equipment and we know how to walk in our skis. We're going to head over to the slope now.
Not that slow. Lean forward.
Oh my God, I'm struggling.
Just lift.
Lean forward. Persevere. Resilience. Strength.
Oh my, this is such a
She's
workout.
a bit of a workout, girl.
It is a workout, for sure.
I thought it was meant to be cold. I'm sweating.
Same.
So I'm going to go first to show you, and then when I wave my pole, you can go one at a time. It's really important that we're in this position nice and balanced, and we'll just slide. If we lean too far back, that's when we lose balance, and that's when we might fall over.
So you can just kind of lean.
Yeah, hands in front.
I
and
won't
just...
snap.
No.
Because to see, I'm quite a thick woman. Oh. Oh. I want it going. How do I stop?
You're just going to come to a stop. Just going to stop.
Oh, okay. Here he is. I'm gonna run away from her. She's gonna run into me.
Oh my God, I'm doing it. Oh, period. I think I'm ready for the Olympics.
Yes.
Now that we've learned how to slide on our skis, how to balance on our skis, the next thing that we're gonna learn is how to stop. And in skiing, we stop by making a pizza slice with our ski. You might wanna give yourself a little bit of a push. And then when you're ready to stop, you're gonna make the pizza.
You go first.
You go first.
You go first. I went first last time.
I'm still trying to climb.
Pizza. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, that pizza is burnt.
The pizza is here.
Wait, pizza.
Did you have a bit of a fall, Sissy?
Strong.
Oh my God, my pizza's not pizzaing.
She's ready to go. Ready. Are you ready? Hey. Oh, period. Is that how you do it? Oh. Sissy, go alone. Go alone. Do it by yourself. Come on. Oh, look.
Oh my God.
Yes! You better go, girl. First place. Period.
Oh my God.
Oh my God,
Thank you.
congratulations. And that's a wrap on the Dolls Take the Snow.
Thank you to Juliet and Snow Planet.
If you wanna check it out for yourself, we're here in Silverdale.
Bye.
Did you know the Pacific Ocean is literally a vibe? It's not just beautiful, it's kind of a big deal. Like, it's the largest continuous marine habitat on the entire planet. You've got dugongs, turtles, whales, rays, sharks, you name it. It's literally a pride land for sea creatures. All but one of the 7 sea turtle species live in the Pacific Ocean. You got leatherback, olive ridley, loggerhead, and green hawksbill. They're all cruising around these waters. If you're in Tonga, you can literally swim with humpback whales and vava'u. Talk about a bucket list moment. And get this, sharks aren't just important to the ecosystem here. They're literally in the legends, stories, and traditions of Pacific Island culture. Sharks are like family. So the next time you're swimming or traveling through the Pacific, just remember, there's a whole world of living creatures beneath you. It's a living, breathing ecosystem. And it's amazing.
Our South Sydney will be right back after the break.
Pacific Islanders alone are a very rare breed of artists. I think we are the most talented artists.
So it's all about building up our young people to make sure that they get that confidence that they deserve to be connected to their culture.
Don't touch my tempo, roll with the tempo. Man, I get true salvation. You got too much pressure, you man, I got tension. Man, I need a yoga session. Follow my tempo, follow my tempo. Yeah, follow my tempo, follow my tempo.
Welcome back to Fresh. Let's get straight back into our episode.
Saya manuia malolo soifua malelangi mama manuia le vayaso ole ngangana Samoa. We are here in Samoa ma ole aso olo e mai mua mai I le young, gifted and brown. My name is Moeloto Tiatia Ilinganoa Vitolia Tuila Epa Tiatia. I'm 23 years old. I am a fashion designer and artist by profession. I work here at the School of Fine Arts and Museum. I am a teacher for contextual and history of art and English for all classes. I've been here this is the 4th month. I've been an artist for as long as I can remember. My style passion for the arts is more contemporary. I use my imagination to depict sea creatures, and also I am a big fan of hieroglyphics. I use Bible scriptures Samoan songs, Samoan stories to write in hieroglyphic style using motifs, patterns from around the world, and also Samoan native patterns. I do fashion. So most of my paintings that I do hieroglyphically, they are then put into prints, like the garment I'm wearing right now. I think my grandma is one of my fashion icons. Not only that, she was very artistic and very creative with how she made her own garments when she would sew. The Miss Samoa pageant I competed in was the one in 2023. The pageant wasn't about a sash and crown. It was about utilizing the platform to advocate for more recognition to the school, and also a wake-up call to our youth about our language and our culture. My talent for the Miss Samoa pageant, it has 3 large canvases, one in the middle that had no painting on it, but an orange sunset, and next to it were 2 other canvases, a purple one that had a silhouette of my grandpa and a green one that had a silhouette of my grandma. I feel like I just spilled everything, my heart and my soul, onto the stage that night. It was a tribute to my grandparents and also to everyone who has molded me to be the person I am today. The people who inspired me about Siva Samoa is the reason why I'm passionate. I was taught by my grandma since I was 2. I've been doing it ever since. They really immersed me into the Siva Samoa. I think in my learning, it was be yourself. That makes me push myself even more to do it. And not only do it, but also teach. So I think it's, we gotta give back now. We gotta pass it and teach it. We have a lot to offer. I mean, we don't stick to one type of art style. It's very diverse, and Pacific Islanders alone are a very rare breed of artists. I think we are the most talented artists.
So today we have got the Battle of the Regions, and it is actually a big milestone because for next year's Tokelauan Easter Festival, we're introducing Kilikiti back as a sport. So this is the first Kilikiti Committee's engagement activity. We've invited all the regions to join us. And it's significant because it's kicking off that we're bringing our national sport back to the festival. And also we're bringing our regions together.
We really want to promote that. Tokelau's a small country, so there's not enough of us to be divisive. We'll have so many different groups, so this has been a really awesome chance to see everyone come together in preparation for Leilani to host the Easter Festival 2026.
I really love our hateles because it brings our community together and helps us show people that we are still here and we're still going strong.
Tells stories about us and who we are. Like she said, it brings us closer to our community. So it's a way for us to connect to each other.
It's all about trying to hype up your scene. It's not about the best singers. It's just trying to hype your team up, be supportive and just encourage your teammates to motivate them to play. You can see this bat here, it's really long and skinny handle, but then a wide bottom part compared to the parangi bat. Also the ball, it's like it's a black rubber ball that's bouncy, way more bouncier than the red ball they use in cricket. And the stumps, as you can see in the games, they're much taller.
I think in terms of culture, I guess many of us feel disconnected, but especially in Leilani where it's so big. So if we're a small community, we're quite dispersed. And then you've got the nuku communities, you've got the church communities, you've got the elders Atsi, and then you've got the tupulanga, which is MTTA. So this sort of tournament brings all of those groups together.
And it's that sense where, like, if you can't speak your language and you're a Tokelauan growing up in the diaspora of Aotearoa, you can't speak your language but you can hit a ball, that's your connection to culture. So it starts with you showing up to the trainings, trying to go have a bat, helping out with the fielding, which is kind of a passive way to get involved. But those are sort of the stepping stones to you to gain the confidence to learn more about your culture, to learn more about the ngangana, about the hatele. So it's all about building up our young people to make sure that they get that confidence that they deserve to be connected to their culture. That being born and raised here in Aotearoa doesn't mean that they're disconnected to our atoll or like millions of miles away.
Hakatailahi for joining us.
We've had an awesome day watching the teams battle it out here at MTTA's Kilikiti tournament.
Don't forget,
keep it fresh.
I'm going for a family reunion.
Hang on, I'm going there for my family reunion.
Your Sefo family reunion?
My grandparents are Sina and Eseta.
No, they're my grandparents.
Welcome back to Fresh.
Hello Fresh, here's some island family. Umay chachochoy pachas.
Talofa lava, my name is Kavika, but you can call me Dave.
Hey, I'm Desmond, aka Big D, the rapper.
Malole soifua manuia. O lo ingoa o Ioane ma Taio, ma Rico, Luka, Leanganga Paia, Leota.
Hi, I'm Tali.
Okay, so I'm Alofa. I'm a preschool teacher and I like to travel, mostly to Samoa.
Oh yeah? I'm actually headed there at the end of the year.
Same. I'm going in like December. Whereabouts are you staying?
My mum's family. Not too sure or know anything about her family, but she is from the village of Lufi Lufi.
Oh my gosh, same. That's my mum village. Hey, I'm going for a family reunion.
Hang on, I'm going there for my family reunion.
Your Sefo family reunion?
My grandparents are Sina and Eseta.
No, they're my grandparents. So that means we're like cousins.
Do you know what? Between me and you, I'm still down if you're down.
So, what do you do for a living?
Songa. Ko money mama na manifesto.
How old are you?
I'm old enough.
Moipi, how old are you?
I'm 25.
25 where?
Simti.
I ain't trying to catch a case. Jesus, take the wheel. On you go. Go on, young'un. Go, children of the corn. Go.
Le te mai o Leilani. O te le fia nofo to atasi. Ai o te lafua I atu I ate oe le swafa sirisiri esi o Yesu. Whawhetai I le atua.
Excuse me. Is this seat taken?
Yeah, I'm leaving anyway. Just have the seat.
Do you mind if I join you? I could just have a couple of minutes of your time.
Yes. Hi. I'm Alofa.
You have a cute smile, Alofa. Romeo. Nice to meet you. You look like you're about to get it.
No, no, just got here, just right now.
Food's no good, yo. You keen to get a feed instead?
Oh my gosh, yes, yes.
Yo, we'll go in my car. I know a place.
Darling.
Oh, crazy. Alofa, these are my beautiful sisters.
Talofa. I'm Keke, short for Glaze Keke. My name is Mariah, short for Mariah Carey. And I'm Miracle, short for Speaks for Itself.
Sisters?
Sissy boo. Surely you know, being Samoan, that when you date a Samoan, you date all of his sisters. Yes, and we are the apple of Romy's eye. Oh, period, that part.
Do you bring your sisters with you everywhere? Because that's not normal.
What did you say, my brother? Stay away from our
If
brother.
you
put your paws on our
Wait.
brother, on him.
Oh, no. I mean, yes, of course. Let's all go.
You don't mind if they come along, eh? Say, that's not weird.
Okay. But wait, we have some questions we'd like to ask. Do you have your citizenship? What church do you go to? Can you cook? What size panty do you wear? What's your village? Do you have children? Can you sing? Who are your parents? Are you a virgin? Ke lofa Samoa. What's your blood type? Do you support Te Tiriti o Waitangi? Would you do a police check? How many exes do you have?
Once again, manuia levaya so lingangana Samoa.
Sizubumnandi sameli langa skokopaka. Wozala. Shana wozala.
Thank you very much for hanging out with us here today in Samoa. Soifuaya maia manuia. Awane ingalo laungangana maia manatua. Keep it fresh. Yahoo!
We're the Moeloto crew, and we're coming to you from our home, Samoa.
Oh, Auckland Adventure Park.
Feel the thrill. Oh, what type of engine are we working with here today?
A 1.6.
Oh, period. Cheap on gas.